Hello all my Oreo friends, and this is another YouTube video, and today, well, you probably know what this video is going to be about because you've probably seen the title, but it's fidget spinners. Everybody's been going crazy, and by the time I upload this video, people will be like, what, this is so old, forget about it. But, you know. But here is all my fidget spinners that I've collected so far since they've, became popular. Not right on the day that did, because I was like, what are those things? But they're called fidget spinners, and I got this American flag one, as you can see. This is the one that my grandma gave me, and here's the design. There we go, you can kind of see it. You could balance it on your thumb. Let's see. I'm going to try to get it on my nose. Hey! I did it. Yep. Dab. On that. I can't believe I did it, so yeah. And here's one. This is a really cool one. This costed $10 at a gas station right by my school, so yeah. It looks like glass. I thought it was glass, then I spun it, then I dropped it, but then I realized it wasn't glass, it was just clear plastic, and most of these are plastic. And here's a white one, and it's missing a bearing cover. I don't know where I lost it at, but here's this one. Well, you can see it go. That's neat. Like, you can see it go forward, then you can see it go backward. I'm wanting the ones that are like, that has like 5 of the peg things or whatever they're called. These are from Mr. Getty's right here, and they're $400. I mean, not $400, but 400 tickets just for one of these fidget spinners. This one spins very nicely. Some spins better than others. You could see the shininess. And I don't think these are magnets. These are metal, but they're plastic, and the silver part's metal. And so they got yellow, white, blue, red, and black. And here's the one that I made. It doesn't do the best. I tried to look on a video and see. It doesn't spin that very good, but the pennies gives weight to it. I might do a tutorial how to make one, but really you have to spin it like a lot. So really just get $5 and go to a store and buy one. And I got this one from my dad. My dad bought me this one in Pigeon Forge. So this one came from Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. This one came from Monticello. This one came from my town, Somerset. And this one came from Somerset as well, where I live. And here's one I didn't tell you guys. This came at my mall. At my mall. And here it is. It's blinding me. This side's brighter. So yeah, this one came from my mall. So yeah, it's pretty at the nighttime, and you can slow down the speed as well. Man, that's hurting my eyes. But yeah, pretty cool, right? Yeah, thought so. Oh gosh, those things are bright. But some of these are pushed on the bearings, so you can't get them out. Not even the covers comes off, or these on the sides. These do not come out as well. These are just made on there in the middle part. You can take the these out, and they're very small bearings. So that's pretty cool. So this is a midget spinner instead of a fidget spinner. But yeah, so you could change the covers. I don't know why they put black on red, but it's still pretty cool. I wish that it was red still. I'm going to see if they have more, but I'm going to show you some little tricks that I have, which I already done the nose one. So let's get started. Whoa, okay, that failed big time. But let's still do some more trick shots. Let's see how many we could stack up. Well, that failed big time. So let's stack it up. There we go. So yeah, look at that. That's so pretty. That failed as well, so that's not a good sign. Let's do this one. Shoot. Look at that. It's almost the 4th of July as well. It's like a month away. That's pretty cool. That is even cooler. Let's see. That's 5. Aw, 5 was the most right there. So yeah. Let's see if I could do another trick. Well, I don't know if you'd call it a trick. I'm thinking about, well, let's see how many we could do. Can we get all 4? Can I hold all 4 of these? If I can get it. Well, technical difficulties right here. Oh my gosh. You know what? The most I could get is probably 3. Because 4 is not going to do very well. Shoot. Wait. I got it. 3. Okay. Let's add the 4th to see. Let me turn this off because I'm going to waste the battery in these. Shoot. Oh, shoot. Come on. I say shoot a lot, so. Every time when I get ready to put another, they fall apart. So yeah, 3 is the most I could do. So let's see about the big ones. So really just 2. That's not really a trick shot, but you know how it is. So I guess that's it for this video, guys. Thank you all my Oreo friends for watching this fidget spinner video, and hopefully you guys can get one of these. They are pretty cool. They just spin. I'm kind of wanting the cube, which really doesn't do nothing, just clicks and spins. Like, not even this, but it's just a cube. But anyways, that's the fidget spinner video. So hopefully you guys liked it, and please stay tuned for more videos. Next week I will be making a weekly Bibleverse video, and I don't know what other video that I'll do. Then on my other channel I'll make a vlog. Like each and every week I'll make a vlog and story time episode. So go check out my other channel while you're at it. And please like, subscribe, or comment below. And don't forget that Jesus saves and God bless. Oh, and also eat some Oreos.